I left this place when I was just 16 years old. And 30 years later, I find myself back. I thought I was making a film about riding motorbikes, but standing in the forest, on the edge of the mountains, and among places that have stood here for thousands of years before us, I started to remember. It was the roads that brought me here, but it was the places in between that stayed with me. Every stop had its own story, places shaped by time, but they'll still be standing long after we're gone. And like many people, I thought I needed a big adventure bike, and instead I brought back a 40-year-old Yamaha. No rider modes, no cruise control, not even a fuel gauge. But it reminded me that exploring Scotland isn't about conquering terrain, it's about experiencing it. And for a trip that became as much about looking back as it was about the road ahead, this bike felt just right. I thought I was coming back for great roads, but what I found was something I didn't even know I was missing. I thought I was coming home, but it turns out home was coming back to me.